So JBL headphones are very cool devices, but they're also very easy to use. And if you're very new to JBL headphones, I'll give you a quick introduction and a quick breakdown on exactly how to use them. So number one, they look pretty standard on the outside. Depending on which ones you get, I have the tuned ones, but there's a lot of different options out there, but they're all relatively kind of the same. They should show you hopefully some indicator light at the front to show you whether they're charging or not. You have the charging port at the bottom where you can charge up your device, and then you can flip your case open by just flipping it open like so. Now when you open up the cases, they typically have the headphones right over here. So you have the headphones built right in, so you can go and take these things out just by popping them out like so, and you can always bring them in at a later point, but you can go and take them out just like this. So you have them just like so. If you want to pop them back in to charge them, you plug them in just like this, and then they start charging. They have little lights on the front to show you whether they're charging or not, which is really cool. Now what you can also do is once they're out, you can also replace these ear tips. Now these are really cool things to basically do because you can get a way better customized fit for your ear. So what you can do is you can go through and just kind of peel these things out. So you can go and just kind of grab them. I usually flip them inside out like this, and I usually just kind of take them apart like so. And then if you want to, you can replace them and get different types of tips if you really want them in there. So then when you want, you can also go through and just kind of slide these things back in. You can just click them back into place. So after clicking them back into place, you're pretty much good to go. You can then kind of use these whichever way you want to. Now to connect them to your device, what you can do is just open up these headphones next to some sort of device that you may have, and then you can go through and connect them. So on your iPhone or Android, whatever you have, go ahead and make your way over to that settings application like this. Click on Bluetooth. And as long as these headphones are on, they'll basically allow you to connect like this. So you can click on these headphones just like so. And then what's going to happen is that they'll be connected. So now these lights on the front are going to stop blinking and they'll be fully connected onto your iPhone, Android, whatever you have. Now you can use these as normal headphones as of this point. One thing to keep in mind is that if you want a little bit more flexibility, you can also download the JBL application. So you can go right up here, you can go and find the JBL app just like so. And then what you can do is go and search for it. And you can then go through and just, find the JBL portable application, and you can go ahead and download and install this application just like that. So you do have that type of capability like so. You can go and kind of customize it whichever way you want to. But, that's essentially that. As of this point, you can go ahead and plug these headphones right inside of your ears. You can go and start using them. And that's exactly how you use your JBL headphones. It's a very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.